Salgado, CEO and founder of Builderall. With over 300,000 users in 150 countries, he has paid over $40 million in commissions, and now he's sharing the secret. He's the head of operations and our prime suspect. Turner, also known as the Builderall Diva. She's the heart of Builderall, helping a whole community prosper with her trainings and strategies. She started as an affiliate and now is director of operations. She has to be investigated. Ricardo Santos is known for his incredible achievement as the Brazilian who won the 4.0 Builderall contest, receiving the first place prize, a Porsche. We need to know how he did it. Salvatore Careto is the #1 affiliate in Italy. He has a massive number of Builderall sales simply using a webinar strategy, and he's currently the leader of the Italian community. He's definitely our suspect. Dorival. He earned over $100,000 with Builderall within the first 6 months of becoming an affiliate. He also won a Camaro doing Builderall's 4.0 contest, and now he stands at over 300,000 YouTube subscribers. Who is this guy? Rina Kislevsky, a leader in the German community and a top affiliate with a huge downline of over 6,000 people. We have to investigate more. Wunderbar, Germany's country manager, who went from broke to Builderall's top affiliate in less than a year, and now he has a huge downline of thousands of people with a secret Facebook strategy. This one's definitely worth looking into. Figueroa. She's currently among the top affiliates in the world, personally enrolling over 600 members in her downline. I've got to get to the bottom of this. Alex Friedman, Builderall's #1 affiliate in Israel. He created the largest digital marketing course in Israel with over 32,000 students registered. Put him on the most wanted list. Bartlett, the 25-year-old who's made over $1 million promoting Builderall organically, started his marketing journey 3 years ago, and now he's one of Builderall's top affiliates. Interesting. Snell Taylor, the #1 Builderall affiliate in the world, making over $1 million from Builderall alone, just because he mastered the secret of running ads. He is our priority at this moment.